7 fresh passive income ideas for 2024 and we can start earning without spending a dime. In 2024, the world of passive income has evolved with cutting-edge strategies and fresh opportunities that don't require any upfront investment. Whether you're a digital nomad, a side hustler, or just someone looking to make money while they sleep, this guide covers 7 trendy passive income ideas that are making waves right now. Get ready to dive into these fresh ideas and start earning without spending a dime. 1. Monetize your AI skills with Auto GPT bots. Artificial intelligence AI is transforming industries, and now you can capitalize on this trend with no coding skills required. The rise of platforms like OpenAI and ChatGPT has led to new opportunities for building Auto GPT bots, AI-driven tools that can automate a variety of tasks for businesses. From automating social media management to creating personalized customer service agents, the applications are vast. You can develop and list these bots on marketplaces like PromptBase or directly offer them to companies looking to cut down on manual work. The key to making this work is to create bots that solve specific problems, such as automating blog posts or conducting email marketing campaigns. The best part, you only set them up once and let them do the heavy lifting for you while the money rolls in. 2. Create and sell NFTs with utility on free platforms. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are no longer limited to digital art. They have expanded into utility-based assets, tickets to events, exclusive memberships, and even real estate contracts. For 2024, the key is to tap into NFTs with utility, offering your buyers more than just a piece of art. Platforms like Zara and Rarible allow you to mint NFTs with little to no upfront costs. For example, you can create NFTs that double as VIP access to your community or early product releases. With growing communities, platforms like Lens Protocol can help you organically reach an audience hungry for unique NFT offerings. Once you've minted your NFTs, they continue to grow in value while providing passive income. 3. Sell your expertise with micro-consultations via DMS. If you've got expertise in any field, whether it's fitness, SEO, or digital marketing, 2024 offers a unique way to monetize that knowledge through micro-consultations. Platforms like Superpeer and Clarity.fm let you offer short, expert-driven conversations, typically 10 to 15 minutes long, for a fee. The advantage: you don't need to set up a full consulting business. You can offer these sessions over Instagram DMS, where people are already asking for advice. Whether you charge per minute or per session, micro-consultations can generate significant income from clients who need quick, actionable tips. Choose niche problems to stand out and position yourself as a go-to expert in your area of expertise. 4. Earn with fractional real estate investments via blockchain. Traditional real estate investment usually requires hefty capital, but in 2024, blockchain technology has changed the game. Platforms like Realty and Lofty AI allow users to invest in fractional real estate without paying upfront costs. You can purchase small shares of rental properties, earning a slice of the monthly income without the hassle of owning or managing a property. This form of fractional ownership democratizes real estate investment, letting anyone get started with minimal risk. All you need is a smartphone and some time to research properties. By spreading your investments across various properties and locations, you can maximize monthly dividends and build a diverse portfolio that pays you consistently. 5. License short-form videos to brands. Short-form video content like TikToks and Instagram Reels is in hot demand, especially as brands look for relatable, viral content to boost their social presence. Instead of creating sponsored content, you can license your videos directly to brands through platforms like JellySmack and Spotter. This means you can keep creating content you love, and brands will pay you to use that same content for their campaigns. The secret to success here is creating videos that are highly shareable and match the current trends. Think product reviews, quick tutorials, or lifestyle tips. By licensing your videos to multiple brands, you create a revenue stream that pays off repeatedly for just one piece of content. 6. Leverage your social media following for tokenized engagement. If you have a following on social media, you can turn that influence into a passive income stream through social tokens. Platforms like Rally and Roll allow you to create your own cryptocurrency or social token, which your followers can purchase, trade, and use to unlock exclusive content or experiences. This turns your audience into investors, rewarding them as your personal brand grows. Offer exclusive access, behind-the-scenes content, or even private consultations to create a high demand for your social token. As your token increases in value, so does your earning potential. It's a win-win for both you and your followers. 7. Sell data with decentralized platforms. Data is valuable, and most of the time, we give it away for free. But in 2024, decentralized platforms like Datum and Ocean Protocol allow you to take control of your personal data and sell it on your own terms. You can share specific data with businesses, who in turn pay you for access. This gives you the ability to cash in on a resource you're already generating your online behavior without compromising privacy. It's a way to reclaim control over your digital footprint and get paid for it at the same time. Just be mindful of the data you choose to sell, and focus on the industries offering the best returns for your information. 2024 offers a wealth of fresh, creative ways to earn passive income without spending a dime upfront. Whether you're leveraging AI bots, diving into NFTs, selling your data, or making your social media presence pay off, there is an opportunity for everyone to start earning while they sleep. These ideas don't just align with the latest trends, they're built for a future that rewards smart, innovative approaches to financial freedom. So, take action now and let your money work for you.